Hi friends, welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about Windows 7. Contents of this video: first, Windows Explorer; second, starting Windows Explorer; third, types of views; fourth, taskbar; fifth, jump list; and sixth, homework. So let's start the video. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the main tools that you use to interact with Windows 7. You will need to use the Windows Explorer to view your libraries, files and folders. You can access Windows Explorer by clicking the Start menu and then clicking either Computer or one of your many folders, such as Documents, Picture or Music. It means Windows Explorer is used to view your libraries, file and folder, and you can easy way to access. Just like documents file, documents folder have only document, pictures folder have only pictures, music folder have only music. You can easy way to access your file or folder using Windows Explorer. Starting Windows Explorer. We can open Windows Explorer in two ways. First, right click on the start button and select open Windows Explorer option, or second, click on start button, then all program, then accessories, and after you click Windows Explorer, then you open your Windows Explorer. Viewing files or folders. The different view of Windows 7 are as follow: extra large icons, large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles and content. Means these are the view file or folder in Windows 7. So let's here in this red arrow show, when you click here, you show a different type of view. You also open my computer. When you open my computer, there are show drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, and in top and right side at the top, you just like show here the red arrow. When you click here, you show all types of view. Next figure, you see here. When you click on this arrow, then you see here all types of view. So let's discuss about one by one all view. First, large and extra large view. The large and extra large icons view show much bigger icons that give you a better view of graphics and video files. It means large and extra large view show the file and folder a large size and easy way to identify. Here the figure of large and extra large view. When you are select the large and extra large view, then your file or folder show on big size and easy way to identify. Medium icons view. The medium icons view give you a better idea of the file contents, but it might not be a large enough thumbnail to tell which is among several similar graphics files. It means medium size icons view give a better idea of file contents, but not so on a large, means small size, medium size, means not a large enough, just like a large extra large icons view, and similar to graphics files. Means medium icon view give a better idea of your file and folder. Here the figure of medium icons view. When you select the medium icon view, then your file or folder show on such a way, just like this figure. Small icon view. Small icons view display icons that are only representative of contents like Word documents, PDF, executables, graphics files, etc. It does not show a preview or thumbnail of the file's contents. It means small icons view are good for check your all file and folder. All things show like Word or documents, PDF, yeah, any graphics. It does not show a preview form. Here you see the figure. When you select the small icon view, your all file and folder show such type of way. You easy way to find out how many number of files and folders in your given folder and retrieve according to your need. List view. The list view is the list detail view of all. As its name indicate, all you see in the list of folder and files. Means list view show the all file and folder content in list wise, and through the name you can easy way to find out your file or folder. Here example through this image, list view, you can find out the list. Detail view. In the details view, File Explorer and Windows Explorer show several columns of information such as name, date, modified date, types and size. Means detail view show all the detail related to your file or folder. Means what is the name of file or folder, in which date you insert in this computer, show the date, type and size. Each file has its own icon representative the file types, as you can see. You can see details. You show the details. There is a file name, date, types and size. Tiles view. The tiles view display a medium-sized icon representing each file and folder along with information about their types and size. Means tiles view, as it is a medium size, means medium icons view, but it represents also some information like which type of file and size of file. Here in this figure, your file and folder show in medium icon view, but also show the size, bottom of the file and which type of file, just like text file, music file, PDF file, and show also size. So in this view, very important tiles view. Next one, the content view. In the content view, each file and folder is displayed on a separate row on which you can see detailed information about each file. Means content view display us all file or folder on a separate row, and you can easy way to identify the date, when it was last modified, size, author of the file, length, audio or video. Means all files shown in separate row and easy, all given details just like name, size, author, all given things show on content view. Look this figure here, separate row. You see all file or folder separate row, and easy way to find the date of modification, size, content, types of file. So this is the most important view is content view. Next one is the working with the control panel. Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current setting of Windows. Means Windows control panel is the folder of system folder in which you can make the changes of appearance and setting, just like your in your computer setting option. Just like your computer setting option, you do appearance, size, font, everything. Even you can make security accounts whatsoever through control panel. Here this includes some important points in a control panel. First, appearance and personalization of the desktop. Means appearance, means look, means when you open your desktop, desktop look like you change this setting in this control panel. Second point, hardware and software setup and configuration. When you install any hardware, any software, you see on a control panel. Next point, system security. You also provide a system security like your password, finger, eye scanner. You can provide different type of security. Your voice. Next one, the networking and internet. In this folder you connect internet connection through. If you have any problem, you manage here through control panel. User accounts and family safety, means you create a user accounts, one user account or two according to need, and provide a password for security. Next one is setting clock, language and region. You can also set the clock, date. In after video we will discuss about the how to set the clock and date on your computer. So this is the most important portion of computer, control panel, where you control all the activity, all types of appearance in computer, easy way to maintain through control panel. Changing date and time. This option allow you to change the computer's date and time. Follow some steps here. Click the date and time option in control panel. The date and time dialog box appear look like this. When you are open control panel and select date and time option on control panel, the date and time dialog box appear look like this, and by default the date and time tab is selected. In starting some date and times already mentioned, you change. To change date, to click change date and time tab here, change date and time, the date and time setting dialog box will appear. You change a date according to the what date now present time and time, and after that you click OK. So it is most important when you are open your computer show current date. You can also do this change date and time through control panel and also a taskbar. Right side of the taskbar show date and time. You double click and open and set as it is. Taskbar. In Windows 7, taskbar instance of an application can easily be created by using Win number key. Here number of key signifies the position of the application in the taskbar. Means taskbar show the different types of application already have on taskbar. Here start button, Internet Explorer, folder, Mozilla, Firefox, Chrome. There are so many applications available. If you press Windows +1, you will create new instance of first icon in the taskbar. Means when you click the Windows +1, the first application on Windows taskbar launch. Launch means open. When you click Windows Win +2, second icon of taskbar open. When you click Win +3, then third application of on taskbar open. So taskbar perform a very important role when you use a computer, when you use any application. Jump list. A jump list means those documents you had opened recently. When you right click a pinned item in the taskbar, it will show up. In jump list means suppose that you are open 4 or 5 folder and you want to open a particular folder, then you click on taskbar and select any one according to your need. You select a third option, third application, and you open and show on a full screen. It will show. That means when it checked, Windows will remember which documents have been opened so that they can be displayed. Means when you open first application, second application, third and fourth application on your computer, then Windows taskbar show your application serial number. First one show the first application, then second, then fourth. When you click taskbar option, there are 5 applications show at a time. You click any one and open and perform your work. Here the example of jump list. When you click here, there are so many recently, means what you open, documents, photo, pictures, music, show here. And you click any one option and then particular option open on your screen. And after that, understand what is Windows Explorer, types of view, and jump list, taskbar, how to change date and time. After that, here some homework. First question, what is Windows Explorer? Second, what is medium icons view? Third, what is small icons view? Fourth, what is list view? Fifth, what is tiles view? Sixth, what is detail view? Seventh, what is jump list? Hopefully you understand all these things, and after you see the video, complete your homework and learn. Thank you.